Hyaluronic acid skin boosters creates a glowy complexion by plumping and hydrating the skin from within by replenishing hyaluronic acid from under the skin. It restores hydrobalance, improves structure and elasticity of the skin. It can be used to rejuvenate the face, neck, hands and décolletage area by improving skin quality. There are 4 key benefits of HA skin boosters. 1. It enhances and brightens the complexion. 2. It plumps and hydrates the skin. 3. It revitalizes under eye and brightens dark eye circles. 4. It helps with overall hydration and complexion enhancement. Liquid hyaluronic acid HA is injected into the targeted layer of the skin via a series of micro-injections. A topical anesthetic cream is applied beforehand, and we use a special fine needle to make the procedure relatively painless. Over a few weeks, there will be a gradual improvement in your skin tone, elasticity, subtle lifting, reduction in fine lines, and improvement in your skin texture. A series of 3 to 6 treatments are optimal. Initially, it's done monthly to quarterly for longer lasting results. Maintenance can be done 2 to 3 times a year. This treatment complements other aesthetic treatments like Botox, fillers, and skin tightening treatments for best results.